If you want to boost your stamina without using any equipment, this bodyweight workout is perfect for you. The best part? You can do it anywhere, at home, in a park, or even while traveling. Stamina is all about building endurance and training your body to perform longer without getting tired. This workout focuses on full body movements that keep your heart rate up and improve both muscular and cardiovascular endurance. Start with jumping jacks for 60 seconds. This warms up your body and gets your blood flowing. Next, move into bodyweight squats for 15 to 20 reps. Keep your chest up and push through your heels. Squats strengthen your legs and improve lower body endurance. Then go straight into push-ups for 10 to 15 reps. If regular push-ups feel too hard, drop to your knees. This builds upper body strength and control. After that, perform mountain climbers for 40 seconds. Keep your core tight and move at a steady pace. This exercise really challenges your stamina. Finish the round with a plank hold for 30 to 45 seconds to strengthen your core and improve stability. Rest for 60 seconds, then repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times. As you get stronger, reduce your rest time or increase the reps. Consistency is the key. Do this workout 3 to 4 times per week, and within a few weeks, you'll notice better endurance, more energy, and improved overall fitness. If you found this workout helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness content. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next workout.